Name.
No, you don't see ahead. You can't. You haven't even read the question yet.
Name 2 states whose names have double N's.
Pennsylvania. Connecticut.
Okay. Now my turn.
Yes.
Yeah.
Find. Whose turn? Your turn. Okay.
Which 2 skates is the most popular for the skiing routes?
For skiing?
Yep.
Oh man, okay.
I guess.
Set the timer.
Probably Colorado. And not gonna make it. Colorado and well,
Oh, I see it.
oh, Vermont.
Yep. You just got it.
Look at all those little states.
You
They're not
just
put where the states are. Okay.